often we see organisations resort to developing more process or getting I guess not getting the balance right around the selection of different solutions and bogging people down with more complexities as opposed to making their life easier. So some things for people to think about is what we often refer to as the 4 Ps. Process is really important, but building the capability of your people, the plant and equipment that's available to make organisations and individuals' life easier, and also the place. You know, if the workplace environment isn't great, be it the conditions and the experience, often that can also lead to suboptimal performance of your workers and teams as well. So getting that balance right around both selection of where to play and then how you go about building the capability in what areas can make a huge difference.